Hi, my name is Thomas Kim. In this session, we will learn how to manipulate files using kernel level functions like create function, create file, write file, read file, things like that. Okay, let's get started. We create a new solution. I'm using Visual Studio 2015. Solution name will be motivation create file. Okay, here solution name will be create file app. We'll name like this. Click OK. Finish. To use create file, we need to include here window and include, I think window is good enough. Here we are creating file. The first step is we define handle HFile and create file. The very first argument is file name. I will say create file A. File name will be test sample txt. This is file name. Then desired mode, desired access. This parameter should be generic write. Then shared mode is 0 to not share. Then security attribute should be null. Default security. Then creation disposition, it will be create new. Okay, create file if not exist. Okay, then file flag and attribute will be file attribute normal. This is normal file. Then it should be template. We will do like this. Template attribute template. So this is file name. This is write. This is for share. Default security. Okay. At this point, the file is created. This is step 1. Now we test if HFile invalid handle value, it means we failed to open file. Then we put message. We need IO stream. Now here, now we can write. Create write file. We need a handle here. This is handle. This is buffer. And keyword. strlen buffer size of character, then keyword bytes written here. This is file handle. Then buffer, then number of bytes to write, then bytes written. This is return value. Then overhead IO null. Okay. Then at this point, if dw bytes written bytes equals dw bytes to write, it means cout file write successful. Else if dw bytes written greater than 0, else okay. Now we close the file. Say in this case we can return, because file is not open, we can just return. Here we have to close the file. So this way we created a file, and here we write the file contents this text, then we close file handle. Now Ctrl F5, Ctrl F7 to build. Okay, now Ctrl F5. Okay, it runs successfully. If we open the solution folder, this is motivation, create file here, debug. If we double click it, this file, sample.txt file will be created like this. So this is the way we create file and we write the file and we close file handle. Now we will read the file. After this is create, now we will read the file. We will create one more project. Now we will make it a startup project. Then here we copy this header file, copy, paste, save. Then we don't need this. We can refer to this document here. In the same way, we open file h handle h file create file. The first is file name. This is file name. File access mode. This is desired access generic read. Then sharing. This is file share mode 0. We do not share. Or we can share file share read. We can use like this for sharing. Okay, here. Then security attribute. We do not use security attribute. Default security. Then creation disposition. Open existing. OPEN existing. Then file attribute, file flag and attribute. File attribute normal. Normal file. Then file handle template file null. Okay, at this point, this is step 1. Step 2, if h file invalid handle value, it means we failed to open file. Then here return 0. Okay, otherwise now we are reading file. This is file handle. This is buffer. I will create enough buffer. Here it should be void. Then number of bytes to read, the word. It should be null terminator, the word, bytes read. Okay, so bytes to read, dw, bytes to read, and number of bytes we read. Then overlap diode null. Say it returns bool. This is file handle. Buffer to read text, to read in, buffer to hold text. This is actually buffer size. Number of bytes read. Overlapped IO. So here, if DW bytes read greater than 0, then buffer DW bytes read null terminator. We have to add null terminator here. Then std cout. Now we close file. It is not close file, CloseHandle. Now let's run it. file failed to open. It's gone too fast. Now rebuild. Okay. File content. I love it. Text to write. Press any key to continue. So we open the file successfully, and we tested if file opened successfully. Then we resolve buffer. Then we read the text. Then we display the contents. Say, please understand the steps. First, we open file. We test the file open, and after using the file, then we close file handle. So next session we will learn another thing about how to use kernel object. We will use kernel object about local allocate and local free. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.